Welcome to this week's edition of The Insider. I'm Jack Hanney, CEO of Patriot Gold Group. Happy New Year. One individual that is not celebrating a Happy New Year is former Venezuelan President Maduro, who was captured over the New Year, is now being detained in Brooklyn, New York, here in the United States, and the oil companies are cheering. Trump has vowed to control Venezuela for the time being, appointing an interim president, but the markets are reacting. If you look, gold is up over $100 an ounce. Silver is up nearly 5% to kick off the new year here on Monday, January 5th, 2026. As I've mentioned in previous insider videos, Q1, it always seems that everyone's New Year's resolution is to get into physical gold and silver. With this escalation and talks of Colombia, as well as maybe even Mexico, there are heightened geopolitical tensions right now, and investors are flocking to safe haven assets. Many have concerns over the AI trade, AI hype, and the AI bubble. We also see as Bitcoin and Ethereum were down for 2025. If you look, the S&P was up about 17% in 2025. As I'd mentioned, Bitcoin was down in 2025, as was Ethereum. Meanwhile, gold was up over 60% in 2025, and silver nearly 150%. If you were to look into the supply deficits of silver over the past 5 years, we are looking at 800 million ounces. That is the supply deficit of physical silver over the past 5 years. And as we're heading into 2026, individuals like Elon Musk are saying that these silver prices are going to be producing EVs, electronics, and all the electronic goods and the industrial and utilitarian applications of silver that much more expensive, especially with these structural supply deficits. Forecasts for gold are calling for over $5,000 an ounce. HSBC came out with a forecast of $5,400 an ounce here in 2026. Gold is nearing $4,500 an ounce this morning. Silver is up at $75 an ounce this morning. I am not a certified financial investment advisor, nor do I give tax advice. It looks as though retail investors are rotating out of the AI trade and out of the stock market, out of crypto, and into physical gold and silver. You can visit us at www.patriotgoldgroup.com, or you can call 1-888-488-5190. Again, that's www.patriotgoldgroup.com, or call 1-888-488-5190. I've been doing these insider videos now for 2.5 years, back when gold was $2,000 an ounce and silver was in the 20s. We are now seeing gold at $4,500 an ounce and silver at $75. You have not missed the boat. 2026, we're ahead of rate cuts. Many anticipate about a 3/4 basis point rate cut here in 2026, which would be huge tailwinds for physical gold and silver. Thank you. Happy New Year. God bless America. And I look forward to speaking with you next week on an episode of The Insider.